Good bloody morning. Beer morning. Where's my can? There. This is Lake Campion. Been on a bucket list for me for a long time. I just had to light the flyer because the flies are insane. Bloody sultanas. This is right on the point. So pretty much get 270 degrees of where I am, of a salt lake. Lake Campion. It's pretty good. Oh, here comes the wind. Blows the flies away. But it's super awesome. There's a little bit of rubbish about. Oh, there's a park bench. An old fireplace. Pity they couldn't make that up, but anyway. A little bit of rubbish about, which is a bit of a shame. I'll get me pickup stick and I'll try and grab some of that. See, crap in the bush there. An old rag. But yep, the only one here. I'm gonna sit back, relax, typical Andy style. Oh. And when I get some enthusiasm, I might go for a bit of a walk around the point. Don't know why this keeps turning off. That's a brick. What Pippi's smelling? Yeah. Well, it's nice here out of the wind. I'd say that might burn my feet if I go for a walk in there. Remember doing that at Lake Neenan. Anyway, I'll show you how the day goes. I'm hoping to get the drone up. I haven't really had a chance to do it because the wind's been kicking, so and with my phone playing up, I didn't really want that to freeze up while I'm mid-air. Anyway, this is camp. Show you along the way. Cheers. Good bloody goon afternoon. Pip's been at me. She wants to go for a walk. Every time I stand up, she fucking bolts. Oh, just found some bread. It's cooled down now. It's been pretty warm today, eh? It's I said 26, but geez, it felt hotter than that. And I actually feel a little bit burnt, so that's why I've sort of been sitting under the shade most of the day. Just have a sticky beak at the lake, eh? Oh my god. I thought these buggers had... thought they'd taken off. A little bit of water in there. I'd say it wouldn't be that deep, but this is like, there's camp there. We'll just walk around. Oh, listen to that. Crunch. Someone's been riding a motorbike through here. Bloody nice though. The red dirt on the other side. Probably looks like that here too, but it's more yellow. Ah, this is the pointy bit. What do you reckon, Pip? Oh. Oh, and someone's driven down here too. Geez, they're game. Driving on a salt lake. Can only end in tears. Alright, so this is the pointy bit. It's pretty nice. Water's got a nice blue colour to it. The ground's rock hard, eh? It is actually stinging my feet a little bit. I've got a cut on there. Look at that. A bit of crystal, salty crystal. Pretty hard under my feet. It's not cold. Nice little salt bath, I'll probably need it. Wow. Very nice. I love salt lakes. especially when they're holding water. It's very, very salty too. I just had a little bit of a taste before. I don't recommend doing that. Oh, shit. I can't believe someone's driven down here. What a risk they're taking, eh? Oh. Pip! Hey! I'm gonna sit back for a little while. I'll get dinner ready. I was actually gonna do a chicken dish tonight, but that's still rock hard frozen. I didn't plan that too well. So the new fridge slash freezer from that blue building seems to be doing its job, which is a good thing. I don't know what it's going to be like in summer, but it's working pretty well. Everything there is rock hard. I've got a bag of ice in here too, so I figured if that was going to melt, that'll be the first to go, so rather than a big clump of meat. So yeah, this is where I've been hanging out all afternoon. I've gone from no shirt to a tank top to a shirt now because the sun's going down. I'm gonna have to rinse my feet off, I think. I can feel some stinging going on. Alright, I'll probably show you when dinner's happening. Otherwise I'm just gonna relax.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go.
Good bloody goon afternoon from Lake Campion. Look at that, the flies are buggering off. Bloody sultanas, they're incredible. Aren't they, Pip? I'm just getting dinner ready, so like I was going to do a chicken meal tonight, but I didn't get it out in time because it's still frozen. So I've got some chicken schnitties, and I've got some potato gratins and some veg and some zucchini there. I just smashed it with a bit of I've got a garlic and chili oil, and I've just infused it more with chili. So hopefully it's not going to give me indigestion. So I'll let these bad boys cook for a bit. There's nothing on there because Pip needs to eat something, so they can cook away for now. And then when I flip them, I'll throw the veg on. That won't need long. I like my veggies al dente, as you probably know. But yeah. And then I'll show you when it's plated, just a simple meal tonight, just to make up for something I was supposed to do. But anyway, I'm a bit relieved those flies are going. I'm trying to keep a smoky fire, so it has helped heaps. Anyway. Alright, so when we get closer I'll show you, and I'll show you when it's plated up. All good. Alright, I think we're done. Get out of the light. There we go. I'll just plate him up and I'll show you. Alright, plated up. Check that out. Chicken schnitty with zucchini and some salad and potato gratins. Just try and keep the flies away. Nice. Alright, I'm going to go eat. Going to make use of the old park bench there, so that's my view. Or I could turn around and look there. What do you reckon, Pip? Pretty good, eh? Not sure if you can see that I'll walk into him. I know that the sun's there, but check these little bugs out. There's millions of them. And rookie mistake. I've done a lot of wheat belt stuff, and I've known and learnt in the past, don't cook your bloody dinner until after the sun goes down, because the flies, the sultanas, mate, they will almost pick my plate up and took it off. Pip was going insane. Pippy. Alright, so I've smoked the fire up, so I'm hoping this is going to get rid of a few. Anyway, so this might be the last of me tonight. I'm going to have a few drinks, sit back, listen to some music, and basically enjoy where I am. I'm pretty lucky to be where I am, because this place is stunning, in my opinion. Where else can you be on the right of a tip of a salt lake and have it to yourself? Oh, and the 10 million flies that's around me. Anyway, enjoy. Well, good bloody morning. Geez, I'm sweating already. I've just finished packing up. I've decided to move on. The flies were just bloody insane for about 5 hours yesterday afternoon, and then come dinner time, rookie mistake. I should have done that in the darkness. Yeah, off to another one. Doing my last minute checks. Oh, both my fridges turned off, so I've got a 200 lithium battery in there, and I got 5 days out of it. I've got a 110 solar panel on the car roof. Obviously that wasn't cutting the mustard, because on the iTech gear you can commit alternator or solar, and I left it on solar, so I didn't charge while I was driving, but it still said 100%. But yeah, is what it is. All right, so if you made it this far, cheers for watching. Lake Campion, give it a go. It's just if you can handle the flies. There must be, well, clearly it's a seasonal thing, but it's a stunning spot. Right on a peak, water all around. It's probably why there's so many flies. I've lost my pickup stick, so I couldn't pick up any rubbish. I wasn't going to touch any. Yeah. All right, I'm going to move on to the next one. See you around.